Okay, so I just filmed this look for y'all. So before y'all ask, she already filmed it. Okay, I don't know if this is probably gonna be up first. This is an unboxing video, and I got me some new hair. So I'm not even gonna do an intro. We just here already. I don't have my ring light on, so you know, just bear with me because I don't have my ring light on, but I'm going to open it. I ain't got no scissors in here or nothing. Nothing. I'm just going for it. Ooh. Ooh. Woo. Girl. Okay. So I got some hair because you know I'm about to go back to work soon and I need to make me a wig. So I ordered me some hair from VIP Beauty Hair because I'm sure that's what the title already says, but that's what it is. So I'm opening. This is the bag that it came in, and it has a little whatever that's called. It has that. And so y'all already know I got a closure. Duh. But okay, so in the bag. Oh, the bag says VIP Beauty. I didn't even read that. So I ordered this from VIP Beauty off of Amazon instead of off of AliExpress. So it came in 2 days because your girl got Amazon Prime, because if you're not priming, then what are you doing? Seriously. So 2 wig caps came in the package, and I don't use these kind of wig caps, so I'm probably not gonna get much use out of those, but that's whatever. Oh, this closure is nice. So I got 3 bundles and a closure. I got a 16-inch closure and 18, 20, and 22 bundles. And so the closure is a 16-inch closure, and it's a free part lace closure. And I got Indian Water Wave. Stop. Like, do y'all see this? This is freaking beautiful. Like, the closure. I don't even think oh, this is so pretty. Like, this is the closure. Let me part it a little bit. That's what I was trying to do. That was supposed to be a fake part. This is nice. Like, I'm gonna make this wig tonight because you know she got nothing but time. But this is so freaking soft. Like, oh, look at that. It's bouncy. The ends aren't dry. I don't know if they look dry, but they're not to touch. They're not. The hair doesn't really smell like it smells like hair. I don't really know. Oh, it already comes with baby hairs. It smells like hair. I don't know what it's supposed to smell like. I don't know what. I've never gotten bad, like hair that smell bad. So I don't really know what the smell would be. But I'm sure if it smelled bad, then it will bother me. Like, I'm sure it would be like, what the f is that? What is that? So, like I said, I got 18, 20, and 22. I feel like I said this. Did I don't know. I got Indian Water Wave. I don't know if I said that. That's why I'm repeating myself. If I did say it, sorry. And this is the 18-inch bundle. I'm running my fingers through it, and I'm not getting any shedding. It's so pretty. Like, this is beautiful. And it's like a natural brownish black. I don't know if you can see. It looks really dark, but it has like a brown, like little tinge. But this is beautiful. Seems like a long 18. Maybe it's just me. I don't know, but that's cute. Girl, I'm about to be swinging this. What? Y'all know I'm bald head. I'm about to be swinging the hell out of this hair. Yeah. Stop. Okay, so the next one is a 20-inch. This is lit. Oh, and I've never got Indian hair, so maybe all Indian hair is popping, and I don't know. I wouldn't know because I never got it. I always get Brazilian. I've gotten Mongolian hair before. That was nice. That was nice. But I'll link that video below. But oh, this is so pretty. I'm shook. Like, do y'all see? I'm not getting no tingles. I'm running my fingers through it. This wave pattern is so pretty. Like, oh, this is pretty. This is a nice like amount of hair too. Okay, so the last one is going to be the 22 inch. This video isn't going to be long. It's really just me showing you like how the hair comes. So this is an unboxing. Yeah, I don't know if I said that either. This is an unboxing because I'm just really showing y'all the hair before I put it in, and like how the color it came and how it looked when it comes out the package. So this is the 22. Let me see. This seems, oh, I'm about to, this is, yeah. Oh, Jesus. That was a little snag. I snatched the shit out of that. Gosh dang. That was, oops. Okay, so that was a little snag. It's not like tangled, but that was, we hit a bump in the road. Okay, we hit a bump in the road. This is the 20, like finger combed out. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Let me stand up and show y'all like where it's gonna fall on me. Are y'all zoomed in? Like, oh yeah, oh, exposed. Okay, so this is me standing. I'm not trying to rip my little. Okay, so this is it at the back of my head where the wig is going to stop, and it's going to stop. So my belly button is right here. It's going to stop at my belly button. Ew, I just poked it in there. Okay. Ah, this is cute. Okay, let me get it together. Scoop back up, girl. Scoop back up. Okay, was I really close at first? Dang. Okay, but this is bouncy. This is bomb. Like, I'm about to be feeling like that bitch. Okay, okay. Let me put all three of the bundles together so I can see actually how much hair it is all together. This is gonna be so bomb. I don't think I'm gonna dye this hair. I know, shocker, but I don't think I'm gonna dye it. But it's so pretty. It's so soft. None of the bundles have like a weird smell. They did come in zip ties, so I mean, I've gotten hair from AliExpress in zip ties before, so I'm not really surprised. Even though I didn't order from AliExpress, it's the same vendor as AliExpress. So this is all three of the bundles together. This is gonna be cute. And then this is all three of the bundles with the closure. So the closure and the bundles do match in texture, so that is important. This is cute. I'm so, yeah, I can't wait to make this wig. I really was proud of myself with the last wig, so now I think I'm a beautician. I think I'm a beautician. I think I might film myself making some of the wig for you guys. Maybe. If I don't like it, I'm not gonna post it, but I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna film it for y'all. But that is really all that I have for this video. I just wanted to show y'all because I was so excited. I just wanted to show y'all how the hair looked when it first came, and I will show y'all once I install the hair, like make my wig and then put the hair on. I will show y'all and I will give y'all an update on the hair. But that's really all I have for this video. I was just super excited. I just got it when I was in the middle of filming the last video I filmed, and so I was like, nah, I'm not about to wait to film this. I'm about to show them today because I'm pressed. I'm pressed. So if y'all like unboxing videos, let me know down below. If y'all think this hair is gonna be popping once I finish making this wig, also let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed already, because I didn't say that because I didn't really make an intro, then hit that subscribe button. But as always, I'm your girl Tiffany. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.